So hi, welcome to GTC Insiders. Once again, we're at our customer event in Lisbon. This is our 2025 event, and delighted to be joined by Chad from Devotel. Perhaps, Chad, you could talk a little bit about yourself and introduce Devotel.
Yeah, thank you very much. So I'm Chad, as you know, from Devotel. I am running the operations in Devotel. So Devotel started this journey as a aggregator, and quickly we involved the SMS side and set it up a software team and started to develop telco and non-telco softwares that we started to provide some services to the public tenders as well. So our biggest service that we provide is trust. So we are trying to be a trustable partner in the market.
And I can see that because looking at the Devotel's like brand, your marketing, the amount of events that you attend now, which is pretty much all of the global events, you're kind of prominent and probably one of the trusted, one of the most trusted aggregators out there. How would you say kind of GTC has supported you on that journey?
On that journey, GTC is definitely one of the best support from the beginning. So we start growing really fast, but when we met with GTC, this growth became faster and faster, definitely. So
Fantastic.
we made our biggest contracts through GTC first time. So I can say we couldn't grow that quick without GTC. We are appreciative of your support.
Fantastic. And perhaps you can talk a little bit about like the trends that you're seeing in the market, because you're obviously very close to obviously messaging, but also the transition into new services. So perhaps you could touch upon a few of those things that you see, Chad.
So as far as I see, everybody with the support of Google, everybody is trying to find new ways to change, to replace SMS with some other technologies. You know, the RCS is trying to find a place for themselves. The silence authentication methods, the sector is trying silence authentication methods. I believe all of these methods will have a place in the market, and we are trying to get into all these new technologies, platforms. But I believe SMS will be always SMS, at least for a while, as like voice. We are coming from voice, you know, every year in the market we talk about, the WhatsApp will kill voice, or Skype will kill voice, but voice is still there.
Of course.
I believe there is definitely new trends, but SMS will be stand strong at least for a while. And we are working on that as well, and we are seeing all the market is working on AI solutions now. The chatbots,
of course.
I believe chatbots will change the market a little bit. Now all telecoms and aggregators are starting to involve AI chatbots, AI assistants.
And that's a big trend that we see, and we've obviously worked around the mobile identity part, and we have actually got a new person, Alessandro, who is running AI and machine learning on our behalf. And what kind of services do you think this will produce for customers in the future? And how is Devotel kind of changing to meet that?
So I believe that kind of features will make all of our life easier and makes things faster, flawless. So I believe with mobile identity features, there is lots of new ideas are coming out. So, for example, when we say now silence authentication, I'm talking people in the market. Everybody has different ideas. Everybody has different solutions already for this. In this topic, we are working some micro SIM softwares to support mobile identity and alternative OTP methods. I believe lots of aggregator and telecom company will bring new ideas in this topic. This is this will change the main focus of the market.
Yeah, and we see that. And in terms of kind of Devotel specifically, and things that you've seen happen with kind of GTC there, I know from a recruitment perspective, we've brought in kind of some people, and that's supporting your transition as well. Perhaps you could touch upon that a little bit.
This is another thing that we really appreciate. So we start working with GTC for recruitment sites, I believe at the beginning of this year. But since we start, GTC became our exclusive recruiter. So I believe this year we didn't recruit anyone apart from GTC's services.
Fantastic.
And I mean, we recruit a lot of people this year. And GTC knows us very well. So they know what we are doing. So, and GTC knows the market very well. So they choose the best candidates for us. Usually recruitment site is very easy with you.
And obviously a big part of today and this week is about our customer event and getting closer to you. We've obviously got quite a big contingent here from Devotel, which I think talks about our relationship together. What do you see happening in the future, potentially, for Devotel and GTC?
So, to say a prediction is difficult, but dreaming that is feels nice. I believe we are growing. GTC is growing. So we have lots of ideas, and GTC is bringing lots of new business ideas to us. It can go anywhere. I'm pretty sure that we will always be good partners. Maybe we can have a telecom operator together.
Well, why not?
Why not?
Yeah.
So it can go that far.
Brilliant. So you can see how GTC and Devotel have really worked together to help grow the market and support. On behalf of GTC, I want to say thank you, Chad. You don't get away that easily. There has to be a question which is a bit more personal in nature.
Of course.
So, are you a skier or a snowboarder?
Oh, I'm a snowboarder. Yeah. I tried skiing. I started when I was 10, 11. So when I was 15, 16, I start snowboarding. Since then, I never changed that. The people says when you are old enough, you will switch back to skiing, but we'll see.
Well, perhaps we'll have our event at some point in a ski
I'd
resort,
love to. This year, I'll vote for Switzerland or France next year.
Perfect. And you can teach me to do a few tricks.
Yeah,
as well.
if you teach me golf, yeah, of course.
There you go. And that's the combination of GTC and Devotel.
Yes,
continuing.
exactly.
Well, perfect. And on behalf of GTC, once again, Chad, just to say thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
We hope you have a great week this week with ourselves.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Cheers.